Now, taking a look at the bottom of the section. Don't panic when you get inequality symbols. The only thing I have to desperately remember is the huge rule. Who can raise their hand and tell me? If I multiply or divide and I bring a negative number to the table, what do I do to the symbol?
Flip it.
Flip it. Now, if the negative is already there, on the right side, like question number 1, perfect one for me to introduce, kind of go nice and easy, baby steps. I go, here's my variable p, 5 and p next to each other, that means divide by 5 to get rid of it. Divide by 5, divide by 5, p greater than negative 3 is my answer. Now, this negative was already in the problem. I didn't bring it there, so I don't flip the symbol. When I go over to graph it, it means p greater than negative 3. Open circle. Go to the right. Greater than means to the right. Inequality symbol, actually, too. Arrow. To the right, to the right. Question number 2. Now you need help. I watched people when I was grading this. They screw up one small idea. M divided by negative 2. Who can raise their hand and tell me how to get rid of a divide by negative 2? How to get rid of divide by negative 2? You gotta raise your hand. Cool. Yeah, Logan. Now watch this. Here's my big mistake I saw people do. This is multiply by negative 2, multiply by negative 2. Negative 2 over negative 2 is the identity property. Negative 2 divided by negative 2 is 1. This cancels. Now, as soon as I multiplied by negative 2 by my variable, inequality symbol flips on me. That just happens. That's a rule we're going to have to memorize. This became M. My second mistake on this question was this. Over here, I canceled because I had to multiply by 2, divide by negative 2. Over here, I have negative 2 times negative 2. That doesn't cancel. Negative 2 times negative 2, positive 4. I just saw a little slip up. I had some people tell me that the answer was negative 2. No, 2 negatives make a positive when I'm multiplying. Now, go over here, copy down my answer. M greater than or equal to negative, positive 4. So, I fill in my dot. Let's review. Studying for your test. Who can raise their hand and tell me why is the dot filled in? Why is the dot filled in? Hunter.
Because the line's under
the part equal sign. And then I go to the right. Next part. Anytime you're doing a two-step equation, please identify your variable. Don't look at your negative 11. Get rid of plus 1, minus 1. Minus 1. Now, crazy thinking. I have negative 4k greater than or equal to negative 11, negative 1. You're combining like terms here. Don't mess your mind up with double symbols and crazy thoughts. You owe 11, you owe 1, you owe 12. Next part, negative 4 and k are being multiplied. Let's divide them. Negative 4, negative 4. Okay, now I'm going to make you understand math really well. Why am I dividing by a negative 4? It's a great math question. Why does this have to be negative 4 and not positive 4? Logan.
Because it's not a positive 4 next to negative.
And why do I need 2 negatives?
Because if you divide it by a positive 4, there would still be a negative.
Perfect. I need k to be positive. Now, I kind of slowed your thinking down too much. As soon as you divide by negative 4, I'm supposed to flip my symbol. I'm going to flip this symbol to become not greater than or equal to, but less than or equal to. Cancel, cancel, cancel. Okay. Negative 12, negative 4, positive 3. Okay, less than or equal to, positive 3. Go over, graph. Graphing is the easy part. Okay, less than or equal to, positive 3. Oh, fill in my dot. Because of my equal sign. Go to the left, because it's less than. Also, please remember, inequality symbol and arrow go in the same direction. Number 4, same thing, two-step equation. Here's C, minus 2, plus 2. Plus 2. C over 5, less than. Positive 2, negative 1. When you put a positive and a negative together, we have been teaching you all year. This is subtract. Don't put a red and a black together. Make your absolute values. 2 minus 1 is 1. Keep the sign of 2. Get rid of my divide by 5. I get rid of divide by 5, multiply by 5, multiply by 5. I felt horribly bad. I had one person out of 140 They had a perfect score going, and they said 1 times 5 is 6. That's the only mistake they made. And they felt bad because they know all of the actual integer stuff, they know all the graphing stuff, and they made a first grade mistake. C is less than positive 5. Circle. Go right over here. Slide this down. C, less than 5. That means open circle 5, going to the left, and, video's getting long, but that's okay. Question number 5. The product of negative 5 and a number is greater than 40. Okay. Always find the word is. That's where my equality or inequality symbol is going to be. Is greater than. Okay. This is awesome. We're going to roll with greater than symbol starts the question. Greater than 40. The product of negative 5 and a number. What's the raise your hand and tell me what product means? Oh, come on. One person? No. That ain't how it works in here. Product. Multiplication. Negative 5x. Now, it's cool that they snuck this in here. They purposely gave you one that's divide by negative 5 to make your x. So when I show my work here, negative 5x divided by negative 5, 40 divided by negative 5, what do you have to make sure you do as soon as you divide it by negative 5 to get x to be positive? What did some people forget to do? The problem got a little bit more complex. As soon as I divide by a negative 5 here, what do I have to do? Logan? Flip the sign. This became less than. X less than, and a 40 divided by negative 5, negative 8. Two negatives, give me that positive 40. That'll make